Okay, I'm going to try to explain to you guys really quickly about this clinical rotations for doing the peds and the bourbon, behavioral health, and your regular clinical. I know this is really, or can be really confusing. So here's your list of who's going where and what day, and that's everybody already has all of these things that I'm showing. So I'm just going to pick one person. Let's pick, let's see, Tuesday. Tuesday, the first clinical day. Anna, because she talked to me today, so I know she's on that list. So Anna Vaughn is to go to Miss Springer at Cardinal Hill Rehabilitation Hospital on Tuesdays. On this other list, though, here's your Bourbon Community Behavioral Health. She is listed to go to Behavioral Health on the 28th. So this is her first clinical day. So on her first clinical day, instead of going to Cardinal Hill, which is where she's assigned, because on the other list, she's assigned to be in behavioral health. The first clinical day, she's going to show up at Bourbon Community, and Miss Hughes will be there on Tuesdays, so she will meet with Miss Hughes' group on Tuesday, and she will go to behavioral health. Now, on Tuesday is Melissa Kelly Walker. She has Miss Hughes anyway on Tuesdays at Bourbon Community, but on that first Tuesday, she'll be with Anna, and they'll be going to behavioral health at Bourbon Community. Okay, DJ is going to be at Bourbon Community anyway. She's going to be doing surgery on that day. Nobody's going to go to peds on the very first day. Okay, so hopefully that explains a little better. Let's pick, let's go to a Thursday day. And I don't know who's up here, so let's just pick somebody. We'll pick Christian. So Christian is Thursday. She's supposed to be Thursday at Cardinal Hill with Miss Hampton. And so let's pull up her other schedule here. So let's go to the Thursdays down here and find where Christian is. Christian's down here at the very bottom. So Christian won't go to behavioral health, so she won't be going to Bourbon Community for behavioral health until 4/2, until that last clinical day. Okay. Let's find somebody else here. Let's say Victor. Okay, so Victor is on Thursday at Cardinal Hill with Miss Hampton. Now let's scroll through this whole thing. So when does Victor go to the pediatric clinic? So it's going to be on a Thursday because that's his clinical day. So we're just going to look over here for Victor's name over here. And here's Victor's name over here on 3/12. So on 3/12, he's actually going to not go to Cardinal Hill. He's going to show up at the Child Development Center of the Bluegrass at 8, from 8 to 11:30. He's going to go to Child Development Center of the Bluegrass. He will go to the sign in. There's a big list posted that tells you what you have to do on NPM 135. He's going to sign in at the daycare at Child Development Center of Bluegrass. At 8 o'clock, he's going to go to the zebra room, which is the toddler room. At 9:15, it's up to you guys to watch your clocks and pay attention. At 9:15, he's going to go to the bumblebee room, which is the infant room, and there's a map attached in 135. And at 10:30, he's going to go to Sea Turtle, the preschool room. Now, it doesn't have to be right on the button, but it should be pretty close around there. And then at 11:30, you're done. So at 11:30, everybody needs to meet back in the front lobby. All these people are going on the same day. So Victor, Allison, Cecile, Michael, and Susan should all meet in the lobby beforehand, and they will all meet afterwards to have Miss Fox, who is the Child Development Center coordinator, or someone else, but I think usually she does it, to sign your attendance sheet. And when you sign in the mornings, you'll pick up a folder. You need to hand all those folders back to Miss Fox and get your attendance sheet signed. And then everyone is going to go, well, Allison, Cecile, Michael, Susan are all going to go to the UK pediatric clinic for the afternoon. So they need to be there by 12:30. There's very specific instructions listed on 135 telling where to go, and you're going to meet Miss Manning there. Now at Child Development Center of Bluegrass, there's no instructor there, so it's up to you guys to to be professional and do what you know you have to do. When you meet Miss Manning at 12:30, these 4 people are going to turn in their attendance sheet from the Child Development Center, and then they're going to do their pediatric rotation, which Miss Manning will have you in different clinics, okay? You will have 2 assignments to turn in. You will have an assignment from the Child Development Center that you have to turn in to Miss Manning, and you will have an assignment from the UK Pediatric Clinic rotations. Now, Victor will be going back to his regular clinical setting on that day, and he has to be back there at 12:30. So his attendance sheet and Child Development Center Bluegrass assignment need to be emailed to Miss Manning to be turned in. Okay? All right. I've tried to explain all that here. I've got it all posted on Blackboard as well. If you have other questions, please let me know. Don't wait till the last minute. If you're unsure where to go, you need to let me know before that. Those of you that are going to go to Bourbon Community, likely you're going to be meeting in the front lobby, which apparently you walk in, look to the right, and there will be a small waiting area. And so you'll need to meet there just like you normally would if you're going to behavioral health first. And you'll meet there just like you would your normal clinical group, but you'll meet with the Miss Hughes on Tuesdays or Mr. Maupin on Thursdays. They have to know you're there. They're responsible for you while you're there, obviously. Those who you need to contact when you're there if you've got a problem is to contact that person, Miss Hughes or Mr. Maupin. Okay? So you'll stay at Bourbon for the whole day. So when you go to Bourbon over here, so like on the 30th, on Thursday the 30th, Micah Allen and Robin Parker Hackett are going to be in behavioral health. At Bourbon, you're going to be there the whole day. And Cece's going to be in surgery observation. She'll be there the whole day at Bourbon, okay? And then here's the peds rotations down here for Thursday, Thursday's group. And then spring break is in there, and I've got spring break listed up here for Tuesday's group as well. Okay? So if you have any questions with that, you need to be sure and let me know. Everybody should have my phone number from last semester. I know Miss Smith gave my phone number out again. If there are any questions about where you're supposed to be as far as a clinical rotation, you need to be sure and see me and let me know. All right, hopefully that helped you guys.